what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we're here in Central Park right now, and it's 5 a.m. here in the morning, and it's a very nice weather right now, not so cold. The weather is perfect for us to take a good photos and make a good content for this video. So if you guys new to the channel, please do subscribe and click the bell right there for more videos and tutorials like this. So let's get into it. So we'll be showing you the settings right now. This is a manual settings, and shutter speed is 30 seconds. ISO is 320. We're gonna take this shot, and we're going to wait for 30 seconds to check out the landscape here and the skyline in Central Park right now. Getting so good and beautiful right here. This is the perfect weather in the morning, and boom, we got a shot right here. Okay, so this time we're going to do the landscape mode. So the second shot, guys, is we're trying to take a photo with the landscape side. So check this out, the setting is still the same. It's a manual setting, 30 seconds, and the shutter speed, and the aperture is f22, and ISO is 220. So guys, don't forget to use a tripod when shooting a good landscape, especially in the morning or in the afternoon. And let's take this photo right now. That's it. We're waiting for our photos. Let me show you the setup right here. That's my tripod. Beautiful morning here in Central Park, New York City. 30 seconds. So guys, make sure to have your gloves, your good winter clothes for shooting, because it's so cold in here, especially in winter. So let's check our photo right now. Beautiful. Look at that. You see the details right there? Amazing. Okay, we got a good one today. Right, let's do in the other spot. So it's kind of cold right now here in New York City, and we have our good vacation today. Beautiful weather, not so cold, 32, but we can handle this one. So we're walking here in the Gatsby Bridge and waiting for another good photos or a good timing to take. So let's get the other shot. Let's do this. If you guys want to visit New York City, make sure to visit winter time, especially in maybe like January, February. Winter time is a nice weather here, and you can have a good photos or a good Instagram photo while taking some photos in Central Park and other parts of New York City. So let's get another shot in this new skyline again. So this is our next location, and I'm gonna show you this new spot, and it's so beautiful right now. So we're taking another landscape photos right now, and the settings, we just changed the shutter speed into 20 seconds, aperture f22, and the ISO is still the same. If you guys wanna do a little bit more like darken, just over like that, and then we are good to go to take the shot. Boom, 20 seconds, guys. Alright, let me show you the New York City a little bit. This is the landscape area, and it's so beautiful right now. And check this out, magical. And we got our photo. paper. Let's do it. So for this shot, we're gonna do another portrait side. There you go. Same thing guys, setting shutter speed 20 seconds, f22 for the aperture, and then ISO 320. That's my setup right there. Should have a tripod always when you're shooting a landscape. And we got a photo. One more. Right, let's move in the other spot guys. The weather is getting better and better now. Beautiful, beautiful Central Park. So guys, we're here in the other location of the park, and that's the other side of the bridge. And we're just gonna do a handheld now. There you go. For this shot, our settings is 1/160, and I got like f7.1. You know, the aperture is 7.1, and ISO 1000. So now guys, we're going to the Bethesda fountain. We have a tripod here, camera, and we're getting another new photos. I'm gonna give you another tips for that. And let's get into the other location. So this is the mall in Central Park. So we're taking a good photos here. Live one. We have the manual settings. The ISO is 400, shutter speed 1/60, and then we got the aperture right here. It's 5.0. There you go. Nice. That's a landscape one, and we're gonna do a portrait mode. We're currently walking here towards the Bethesda fountain, but please check this view and the mall here in Central Park. It's kind of beautiful right now, and the weather is changing. It's getting cold right now guys. So my advice guys, if you want to take a good photos or video, make sure to come here to Central Park like 8 AM in the morning or 7, something like that, because there's no one in here and you can do a lot of stuff. Like right now, I'm here in the park just alone, walking and enjoying the weather right now. So now we're here in the Bethesda fountain, but we're here under the bridge. So this is the current setup right now. Same thing guys, manual setting. Same thing guys, the setup is manual setting, and the shutter speed is 0.3 second. You got an aperture like f22, and then ISO for 320. So if you want to make brighter a little bit, you can just raise up your ISO or lower a bit, so a little bit darker. So let's take a shot. Take a look at the Bethesda fountain and the bridge right here. You see the ambient right here, and a little bit darkened because we raise a little bit the aperture, and it's getting cozy and a little bit darkened right here. Perfect. So right now guys, we're changing a little bit perspective. So we have a portrait mode right now, and our settings, the same thing, manual setting, with a shutter speed of 1/320, and the aperture is 5.0, and then we got an ISO 400. So I'm doing a little bit live shot because I want to see what is in the camera right there. There you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today for our new tutorial on how to take photos during nighttime or daytime or early morning. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell right there for more videos and tutorials here in my channel. So one more thing guys, don't forget to bring your tripod and check your batteries, memory cards, while you're going out and taking some good photos or videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.